I am Victor Armendariz. I'm running for the United States Congress District 4 on the Republican ticket. Quick background, my father came here from Mexico on a student visa, came here the right way. Went to school, learned English, did a few odd jobs, retired in Atlanta, CFO of a major company. It's a great success story. It's an American dream success story that I was brought up on. A lot of values that he instilled in me. I was basically looking at the way this country was headed in the past year and a half or so. It inspired me to get up off the couch, so to speak, and let my voice be heard. I am a strong believer in the United States of America. I love freedom and I love liberty. We can never let these ideals go. The founding fathers of this country were amazing, and their vision is amazing. So I stand before you asking for your vote on July 20th because I want to stand with what our founding fathers put forth. I want to stand for liberty. I want to stand for freedom. We've got to get back control of our government. Our federal government's too large. I want to cut it. I want the federal government to shrink. I want power to come back to the states. I want power to come back to you. This is a government of we the people, not we the government. So please, if you have any questions for me, I have some information in the back. Thank you again for coming. And if you believe in America, stand with me on July 20th, because I will stand for you and never forget that you, the people, put me in Washington to represent we, the people.
What's your name, sir?
Victor Armendariz.